Hey guys, what's up? Zoomed in. Please hold, I need to turn off the air conditioning. It's cold. I literally still need a blanket, I'm cold. We're nurse burritoing, it's official. All right, good morning you guys. It's like really late in the morning, but I'm starting to have a little bit of breakfast. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning because I have been waking up at 5 a.m. for the past 7 days, and it's really light out, so I think that's part of it. And I've just been working and coaching. My sleep schedule is off, and I was like, there is no way that I am waking up at 5 a.m. on my first day off. So we slept in for a prolonged period of time. Here we are, we're having some avocado toast. We have so much to do. I feel slightly overwhelmed because my apartment is, in my standards, messy. All my friends are like, is it Kiara messy or is it really messy? All right, it's technically me messy, but the problem is that my dishwasher is broken. Lovely apartment complex just will not reply when they're gonna come fix it, if they've even acknowledged it. I've emailed them 3 times, so I will be calling them today. And I have a full dishwasher full of dishes and a full sink full of dishes. We're gonna wash the dishes in the sink and maybe like the silverware in the dishwasher, so at least I have some things, and then I'm gonna call them before I like really deep dive wash everything. We're breaking the project up into smaller, more tangible tasks. This is literally such a first world problem. Not everyone has a dishwasher, but when it breaks and you have it, it is so frustrating. Hopefully we'll figure that out today. And then I'm doing my laundry right now, getting clean sheets, clean scrubs for a fresh week of like work, even though it's literally Wednesday, so it's like the middle of my week. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be picking up a shift tomorrow because they're gonna be short and I'm trying to pick up more. So we're picking up tomorrow. We have a busy day. I also need to get back on my workout game. I have 2 things in June next month that are gonna require athleticism at next level. And I feel like I'm in my mid to low full fitness mode, so I need to somehow kickstart the workout routine. And I'm trying going to bar 3 because it's raining outside and I was gonna run, but like I don't want to really run on like the wet track and it doesn't sound appealing to me. So I'm gonna try to use bar 3 as my motivation to get all my work done here in my apartment, go to bar 3, have a nice workout, and be really sore the next day so that I can work out again on Friday and on Saturday and on Sunday. Every day that I have off from work, I'm gonna be working out. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. That's our game plan for today. Let's see how much we can get done. Taking you guys along. We'll see where the day takes us. My laundry in the dryer right now. My bed is ready to be remade. I got all of the clothes and bags that needed to be unloaded. Everything hung, and I'll show you in the kitchen. This is my lovely dishwashing. I washed all of these and I've already unloaded a whole nother section over there that I had washed and already dried and put away. I have a clear sink. There's so many dishes in here, but I don't even want to think about that. I still have hope that this thing's gonna get fixed, and I will slowly do the dishes from that as needed. My amazing friend Elle gave me a call. We've been friends since literally 3rd grade, so it was so fun to catch up, and it's nice to do things on your to-do list on FaceTime with a friend. I just think it's so important post-college to keep up with people, because these are like the friends that you have forever, and she lives all the way across the country, but we're still able to like keep in touch, which is something that's really special. So I always appreciate like those calls, and I've already talked to my friend Katie Mack this morning, so it just makes your day like feel a little bit better when you get to talk to people and still be social, even though like I live alone and I don't have anyone to like interact with right now. I am ready to go take a shower and wash my hair. It is so dirty, so I'm gonna go do that right now, and then we're gonna change into normal human clothes. We're gonna get lunch, we're gonna remake our bed, fold all the laundry that's in the dryer right now, and just keep moving through our day. Currently 2 o'clock, so we got a lot to do still.
Just a writer, how you be the pilot, even when you know I'm
I took a shower. I feel so fresh, so clean. If you guys are hearing the noise in the background, there's like a bunch of construction happening outside my apartment, so I'm sorry. We are gonna figure out where we are in our to-do list, and then we're gonna do some adulting things that I really don't want to do so that we can cross them off. I just need to get this stuff done, and it involves calling. And I don't know why, like, I just hate calling people. It's so annoying to me. I'm gonna call my apartment complex about the dishwasher. I'm gonna call my insurance because when I went to the eye doctor quite a few months ago, charged me so much, and I also have like vision insurance, so I'm gonna try to see if my vision insurance can cover part of this bill that my medical insurance didn't cover, because it's like $300. We're gonna make some phone calls. We're enjoying a Factor juice. This is the carrot, orange, ginger, cold pressed juice. These are super good. If you guys didn't know, Factor has juices. They are actually sponsoring today's video. I have my Factor meal in a little bit. I hate cooking lunch sometimes. Like, I just don't want to dirty up the kitchen after I just cleaned it from breakfast, and like, you know, I still have to have dinner at some point. We're having our little midday snack. I used to actually press my own juice when I was in college, if you guys have been watching my videos for that long. So I love a good, refreshing, fresh pressed juice. We washed the sink dishes, we started our laundry, we stripped the bed, we looked at our bar 3 class, we know it's at 4:30, we switched our laundry, we tidied the apartment, we showered. Wish me luck, here we go. Okay, we're gonna call my apartment place first. I sent maybe a couple emails about my dishwasher that's not working, and I was just wondering if you guys had a time that you were gonna stop by to come check it out.
Okay, let's see. Hold on. I was just in there, so I have in progress, Kiara.
So does that mean that he sent me an email already asking me those things, or I should just keep an eye out for one?
No, that means he should have.
Okay, because I
So if he
don't
did-
see one.
When I see him, I'll touch base with him and see what exactly he did on 5/21.
Yes, okay, at least something happened yesterday. I guess maybe he either took a look at it or he ordered a part, so maybe he knows what I'm talking about. But one thing done, to cross that off my list. Now we're gonna do the less good one, the insurance one. All right, round 2, here we go.
This call may be recorded as part of our commitment to quality service.
Last time I had me on hold for so long that I had to leave a message, and then the message, they were gonna call me back, and they didn't call me back a week later, and I was working, so I couldn't talk to them, so I keep playing phone tag, like, forever. All right, you guys, I did a quick blow dry of my hair, and now I'm realizing that my day is getting away from me so quickly. So if I want to go to my workout class, I need to eat my lunch, which is perfect because I have my Factor meal ready to go. It's gonna be ready in 2 minutes. You guys know I love working with Factor because their meals are just so great at times like this when I don't have to cook. Factor supplies ready-to-eat meals from their gourmet chefs. Their meals support your lifestyle. They have different options where you can set your preferences and support managing your calories, maximizing protein intake, avoiding meat, or simply trying to eat a well-balanced diet. They've got high quality ingredients and they are ready so quickly. Today on the menu, we are doing the peanut Buddha bowl. This is one of their vegetarian meals. I've actually never tried this one, but I'm super excited to. Let's see if it wants me to heat. Oh yeah, it wants me to remove the cup with the sauce, the peanut sauce. 2 minutes till we eat, and then I need to change. I need to book the class because I have like 45 minutes till it starts, which means I need to leave here in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do a quick change really quick while my Factor meal is cooking. It's literally already ready. Okay, I just have to get my sauce ready for my bowl. Sauce. Here's my delicious bowl. Ooh, yummy. All right, we're gonna stir it up and try this thing. Little chickpeas, little roasted bell peppers, little sweet potato. Oh, that's fire. This might be one of my new faves. And it's got a little bit of a spicy kick in it, which I love. If you guys want to try Factor for yourself, they've got over 35 menu items every single week. You can always skip a box if you're busy that week. You guys can head to factor75.com and use my code Kiara50 to get 50% off your first box as well as 20% off your next one. Again, that's code Kiara50 to get 50% off your first box plus 20% off your next month of orders. I'll leave the link for you guys in the description box. I just love it because it works for my lifestyle. And you guys know I'm so busy, so it's so nice to have meals just ready to go. I'm gonna eat this really quickly and then we're gonna go to bar class. We're gonna get back on our workout game. It's gonna be a good time. I got ready quite quickly. I still have like 15 minutes before I need to leave, and I'm gonna switch out my Apple Watch band. I don't know if you can really tell. This is the normal color. This is the green. It's kind of gross. It's all dirty in here. Hold on. I'm gonna get an alcohol swab so I can do this right. Okay. I'm like, I know I did this before. All right, alcohol swab coming in hot. The little valley of the watch. There we go. We're gonna clean the watch itself. Get it all nice All right, now we're gonna put this thing on. I feel like it's a little loose. All right, Apple Watch is no longer green. I'll probably end up getting a new band that's like this just because it's really easy to take on and off. It's just a little bit less bulky. For now, this is a great one and I had it. Let's go get our grippy socks, and my water bottle's already filled, so we're ready to go. Of course, I have like 2 minutes before I'm about to leave, and I'm like, I must put some more stickers on my water bottle because now that there's a bunch of dents, this is like my work/ski water bottle. I want to cover them up, and I have, my friend got me this pig sticker that says get piggy with it, and I have like a sugar pine sticker and one for my ski team, and this cute tiny one. It says make today a good day. I'm trying to like decide where I want it all. Maybe like that. Okay, here's the finished water bottle. I'll link this one down below. It says braver than you believe. I really like this one. It's from a girl named Katie. She's fighting osteosarcoma. I'm sending you good vibes, Katie. I love your sticker. This is US Ski Team 1. It's kind of coming off, so I don't know how long this will last. Mount Hood Race Team Academy. Make today a good day. This little Troutdale, Oregon, and get piggy with it. I need to get some more for sure. For now, I'll leave like this side kind of blank. Okay, I'm gonna charge you guys and we're gonna go to the bar. Let's go.
The radio becomes an orphanage. I'm just a writer. I ain't the pilot. Even when I'm hiding, you
guys, we just finished bar. I made it. I was like 30 seconds late, so it could have been worse, but I forgot that there would be traffic getting out of my apartment because there's so much construction right now. I feel really good. I just needed to move my body, and it also reminded me that I was like, okay, I'm not as out of shape as I initially thought. Like it was still a hard class, but it wasn't like, you know, killing me. Now I'm just kind of close to my parents' house, like trying to decide what to do for the rest of the night because I could go home and there's still like so much more to do. Fold my laundry, make my bed. I'm potentially working tomorrow because I offered to pick up, so I'll get texted at like 5 a.m. so I kind of have to like prepare like I am gonna work. I don't know, I might pop into my parents' house and see what's up because I have a text into my friend to see what she wants to do tonight because I said maybe we would hang out. Until I hear back what the plans are with her, like if we're gonna do dinner, I'm just kind of chilling. So I'm gonna drive to my parents' house because it's like 3 minutes away. We'll say hi to Doug maybe, I don't know. They just Hello squad, I am officially back home. My day got a little bit sidetracked, but it was also really nice. I ended up going to my parents' house, and then my dad was like, your mom's working late, let's have dinner. I got all the stuff to have pasta, and he makes a delicious spaghetti. So we had spaghetti, and then we watched a bunch of like fun videos on YouTube all about recycling and how people recycle improperly. If I remember, I will link the videos down below because I think it's very interesting, our recycling system in the history in America. So I'll try to link some of the videos that I watched. And then I got a text from my charge nurse that they are likely gonna use me at work tomorrow. So I was like, all right, this is getting real. How to get home. And then I was like, oh my gosh, have to try on all the dresses for the wedding that I'm in next week. It was good that I did that because I realized that I do not have heels for my bridesmaid dress. I thought I did, but I don't. Somehow I got rid of them in between graduating college and now. I need to get some heels before next week. So that's on the to-do list. But now I have exactly 45 minutes to get everything together for me to go to bed because I need to sleep. So that's what we're up to right now. We're just putting away some of the dishes so that when I come out in the morning, it looks a little bit less chaotic and stressful. We have to get pajamas, pack our lunch for tomorrow, which is mostly packed, lay out clothes, hopefully fold the laundry, but I really need to remake my bed so that I can sleep in it, go to bed. So that's the game plan.
Not bad, boys. Let's try it one more time.
I ain't the pilot, even when you know I'm.
There is truly nothing like clean sheets. All right, it is 10:37. My goal was to be asleep by 10:30. We're a couple minutes late, but we wrapped a gift for one of our friends to drop off at work tomorrow. Okay, quick to-do list check off. We did this. We had lunch. We folded our laundry. We blow-dried our hair. We remade our bed. We packed the lunch. We did something active. We laid out our clothes. We had dinner. We wrapped the gift. Cool. The only thing we didn't do on our list was to wash the dishes in the dishwasher, but we did call and figure out a plan, hopefully, so that I can keep pestering them and we can get our dishwasher fixed. That being said, I'm off to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was quite the adulting day, but honestly, it was a good day. I can't complain. I'm gonna go work tomorrow and make some kids smile. Today's question of the day is, what's on your spring to-do list before summer? Mine is to just work out a little bit more, keep moving my body, and I feel like today was like a good start and reminder that it is so great for you to do that. Huge thank you again to Factor for sponsoring today's video. Today would not have been possible without them and their quick meals to keep me fueled. If you guys want to get 50% off your first box and 20% off your second, head to factor75.com and use my code Kiara50. There will be a link in the description box. I'm so tired. I cannot wait to sleep. I will talk to you guys again very soon.
Eastern liner leaves me behind.